Breaking news: Blue Origin is back. Blue Origin's triumphant return to space operations on December 19, 2023 marked a significant milestone after a 15-month hiatus. The successful launch of the NS-24 uncrewed mission showcased the resilience and technical prowess of the aerospace company, which had faced challenges and delays leading up to the historic liftoff. Welcome back, space enthusiasts, to an exhilarating journey into the cosmos. Today, we're diving into the thrilling success of Blue Origin's NS-24 launch, a mission that not only marked the triumphant return to space operations after a 15-month hiatus, but also showcased groundbreaking innovations and a commitment to inspiring the next generation of space explorers. Join us as we unpack the highlights of this historic launch, from the precision liftoff to the mesmerizing descent, and explore the diverse payload that includes cutting-edge research, educational collaborations, and a heartwarming initiative by Club for the Future. Buckle up, because the countdown to space exploration excellence begins now. Prior to this successful mission, Blue Origin encountered a setback when its attempt on December 18 was scrubbed due to a ground system issue at Launch Site 1. The New Shepard suborbital vehicle, the centerpiece of Blue Origin's space tourism ambitions, soared into the skies from the company's West Texas site at precisely 11:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. The mission unfolded seamlessly, overcoming any lingering uncertainties from the previous day's cancellation. The successful liftoff not only reinstated confidence in Blue Origin's capabilities, but also emphasized the company's dedication to pushing the boundaries of space exploration. As the New Shepard ascended, it marked the beginning of a new chapter for Blue Origin, reaffirming its position in the competitive space industry. The West Texas site, a pivotal launchpad for the company, became the backdrop for this resounding return to space activities. With a payload of 33 research experiments, many in collaboration with NASA, and additional contributions from educational institutions and STEAM-focused organizations, the NS-24 mission represented a diverse array of scientific endeavors. The flawless landing of the first stage of the rocket near its launch site and the safe descent of the spacecraft under parachutes added to the celebration, as Blue Origin showcased its ability to execute precise and controlled space operations. As Blue Origin continues to make strides in space tourism and exploration, the successful NS-24 mission sets the stage for future endeavors. The company's resilience in the face of challenges and its dedication to innovation position it as a key player in shaping the future of commercial space travel. The anticipation for upcoming crewed missions and the broader impact on space exploration heightens as Blue Origin solidifies its presence in the dynamic landscape of space exploration. The NS-24 mission, representing the 24th launch for the New Shepard program, not only symbolized a successful return to space for Blue Origin, but also served as a platform for a diverse range of scientific exploration. The cargo manifest included a total of 33 research payloads, underscoring Blue Origin's commitment to advancing scientific knowledge and fostering educational collaboration. Remarkably, more than half of the payloads were the result of collaborative efforts with NASA, showcasing the strong partnership between the private aerospace company and the government space agency. These joint ventures exemplified the shared commitment to pushing the boundaries of space research and technology, leveraging the expertise and resources of both entities. However, the significance of the NS-24 mission extended beyond governmental collaborations. Blue Origin actively engaged with educational institutions, from K-12 schools to universities, emphasizing the importance of inspiring the next generation of scientists, engineers, and space enthusiasts. The inclusion of contributions from these educational entities not only diversified the payload, but also provided students with a unique opportunity to see their experiments launched into space. As the New Shepard ascended into the cosmos, carrying this rich tapestry of research endeavors, it not only represented a technological triumph, but also an investment in the future of education and exploration. The NS-24 mission, with its collaborative spirit and diverse payload, stands as a testament to the potential of private-public partnerships and educational initiatives to propel humanity forward in its quest for understanding the mysteries of space. The culmination of the NS-24 mission was not just in its successful liftoff and payload deployment, but also in the meticulously executed return to Earth. The first stage of the rocket displayed its technological prowess by executing a precise landing near the launch site, a feat that underscored Blue Origin's dedication to reusable rocket technology and sustainable space exploration. The flawless landing not only demonstrated the company's commitment to precision, but also marked a step forward in minimizing the environmental impact of space travel. The descent of the spacecraft to Earth under parachutes, broadcasted in real time through Blue Origin's live stream, provided viewers with a front-row seat to the final stages of the mission. This commitment to transparency not only showcased Blue Origin's technological achievements, but also allowed the global audience to share in the excitement of each successful milestone. Beyond the technical achievements, the NS-24 mission carried an additional payload of 38,000 postcards for Club for the Future, a nonprofit organization initiated by Blue Origin. This philanthropic endeavor is a testament to the company's vision of inspiring and engaging young minds in the wonders of space science and exploration. The postcards, perhaps containing the dreams and aspirations of the next generation, were sent aboard the new shipyard as a symbolic gesture, connecting the youth directly to the journey of scientific discovery. Club for the Future, with its focus on educational outreach, aims to ignite curiosity and passion for space exploration among students worldwide. The inclusion of the postcards in the NS-24 mission not only added a touch of sentimentality, but also reinforced Blue Origin's broader mission to make space accessible and inspirational for future generations. Despite the success of uncrewed missions, Blue Origin has yet to announce the date for its next human-crewed flight. However, the company is gearing up for this milestone, evident in the recent addition of an elevator to the launch tower in collaboration with Astro-Access, an accessibility company. Erica Widener, a launch commentator, highlighted the importance of accessibility at Blue Origin, emphasizing the company's commitment to ensuring that space exploration is inclusive and open to a wider variety of customers. The anticipation for the next human-crewed mission is palpable as Blue Origin continues to push the boundaries of space tourism and exploration. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey as Blue Origin's NS-24 soared to new heights. From the precision of liftoff to the awe-inspiring return, this mission has not only showcased the cutting-edge technology, but also the commitment to inspire future space enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more updates on Blue Origin's exciting ventures into the cosmos. Until next time, keep reaching for the stars.